Now I'm going to show you the difference between raster graphics and vector graphics. Vector graphics are what you're going to be working with within Illustrator, and you're going to find out why vector graphics are so valuable. So if I show you these two logos, we have a vector logo on the left hand side and a raster logo or pixel logo on the right hand side. Now, although they might look similar, if not identical at this point, you can soon begin to see the difference as we use the zoom tool to zoom in. Clicking in, you'll see that the logo on the right begins to pixelate, whereas the logo on the left maintains its clarity. This type of distortion is typical of all pixel-based formats, inclusive of JPEG, GIF and PNG, to name but a few. If we zoom out back to the original size and we take both of these logos and increase them in size, which is basically the same as zooming in because either way we see the details of each, you'll see again that the logo on the right hand side has pixelated, whereas the image on the left remains clear. Now, this is because the image on the left is a vector logo which consists of lines and Bezier curves, and these two qualities are calculated live by the computer and they're drawn out as the shape is manipulated. So as I highlight this logo, ungrouping those two, as I highlight the logo on the left and I increase it in size, the computer is figuring out how to redraw via certain calculations, and it redraws and fills the image once more. So we see no distortion, no pixelation, because the computer is constantly doing a redraw in response to our changes in size. The logo on the right, however, as shown, is going to pixelate as we increase in size or zoom in. So the main benefit of maintaining clarity, as we see here with this logo, is that it can be applied almost anywhere without loss of quality. This includes shop fronts, where it can be expanded to the size of a sign, for instance, a shop window where it can be increased to the size of the window, vehicle graphics or posters, to name just a few applications. So when you come to advertise your logo design services, it's very important that you do emphasize that you design in vector, because it boasts this type of quality.